our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pin messages in Telegram. And the pin messages is you see a messages very quickly and you wanted to remember that messages, just pin it, and that message is going to come to the front chat on your message, the first messages on your chat. So this is it. Let's go to the plus store to demonstrate what I'm trying to say. So this is my plus now, and you can see now I want to let me click on this Abdul do something here. There's not any chat here, so let me go and find someone that has a chat so that you'll be able to see what I'm trying to do. Okay, all right, let's see. All right, let's click on this person. I think I had some chats with us. You can see now I want to pin these messages. Now do you see? Just click on it like this, click on it, and this is it here. Sorry, this is it. Click on it here. You can see you don't need to open the message, sorry, just click on it and you can see this arrow here. This is the pin. I have pinned it and you can see the messages has quickly jumped over to the first messages here. Do you see it here? This is it. So if I want to unpin, just click on it and you unpin. This is very simple. This is very easy and simple. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.